Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute clover leaf. So let's start. First, draw the flower pot. Draw a line and make the end curvy. Now draw the other side also. Well done. Now draw a line and connect it. Draw a line and connect the upper end also. Look how great it's looking. Now draw a line in the pot, like this. Now draw a cute heart shape in lower part. Just draw like me, then you will not make any mistake. It's looking very great. Now draw eye on the pot. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the eyelashes, and it's done. Good job. Now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing, and it's done. Now draw the eyelashes, just 2 is enough. Don't forget to draw a cute smile. Look how beautiful the flower pot is looking. Now let's draw the clover leaf. You know what? Clover leaf look like heart shape. Draw it like a heart shape. Good job. Look, we draw the leaf. Now let's draw some more leaf. Do the same thing, and draw the leaf. You know what? If you find 4 petals clover leaf, then you will have a very good luck. So let's draw a 4 petals clover leaf. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, we complete all the leaf. Now connect the leaf with a line like this. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. Now use dark green color and color the leaf. Make sure to color only the one side of the leaf. Look, we color only one side of the leaf. Now color one side of all leaf. First draw a line. Then carefully fill the color. Well done, Now use light green color and color the other side of the leaf. Slowly fill the color, and don't make any mistake. Color all the leaf, and look, it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now use pink color and color the flower pot. Color the upper part, like this. Make sure not to color the face. Look how great it's looking. Now use purple color and color the lower part of the pot. Color slowly and don't color the heart shape. Good job, now color the right side also. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use red color and color the heart shape. Color only the inside, and look, we complete the drawing. Lastly, use white color and draw a circle in the eye. Now draw a circle on the other eye also, and fill the color. Now draw some curvy line on the clover leaf. Make curved line on the light green part. Now draw a small line on the flower pot. Just draw 3 lines, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look, the clover leaf is looking very happy. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.